What's up, guys? We got the whole family today in the shop. Today we're working on this Dodge Ram Power Wagon. These trucks are super rad. Dana 60s, locked front and rear. What else? It's got a winch.
Auto disconnecting sway bars.
Auto disconnecting sway bars. Loaded.
This thing when we lift it up.
Absolutely beautiful on the inside. But what we're doing today is maybe we'll pull a wheel off. Buddy, what's going on? Come here.
Come here, buddy. It's okay, come here. You're okay.
Oh, big old 37. Jeez Louise.
We're not doing anything scary. Huh? Nothing scary at all, buddy. Got me to build a chair with everything on it.
All right, so what we're doing today to this thing is look at that spring. It's got like a, what is this, like a 3-inch lift level?
2-inch.
2-inch level puck. And it just like makes your springs go all weird.
They do that stock from the factory.
From the factory.
Yeah.
Okay, so this perch right here, if you can tell, it's kind of at an angle. So what we have is some springs that are built on an angle to correct this right here. So we'll get the other side torn tire off and then I'll show you some other stuff in a second. Can you tell everyone on YouTube what this truck is? Ben? Can you tell everyone on YouTube what this is? Good job. So explain to us how it works.
All right, so I hate being on video. Sorry, peeps.
I won't show your face. How about that?
This is made so the bottom fits that bent perch, so that it sits straight. So the perch is bent like my hand, and the spring is straight.
Cool.
Rather than like a Dodge.
And we don't have to use the puck, right?
No puck.
So it's an actual lift spring as well.
From Thuren.
Thuren?
They're the only ones who make them.
Cool. Yeah, I guess this is a common problem.
All of them have it.
These trucks are freaking sweet, so let's get it taken apart and
a job though.
all right, so I got to take the shocks out, or just the bottom bolt.
Yep.
And then you got to disconnect the sway bar. You could automatically disconnect it, but we just forgot.
Sadly.
So that way you can droop out this whole axle and get these springs out of here. We need to lower it a little bit.
Hammer.
Bam, that's the sway bar motor.
Sweet. It'll come down when we
Okay.
lower the truck. That whole thing will come down.
It's got both shocks out. Where are we putting these jack stands?
Close up as we can in the frame. So let them move that tire, but
Big old muddy thing. All right, go ahead.
a little. It'll be okay.
We're gonna put the axle at full droop. I can't believe how those look. This is ridiculous. Look at that. Oh,
Are we good on jack stands? Check them. Got frame stands.
that one's good.
Okay. Just scared the holy living shit out of you.
I think that one's good.
cheap ass jacks, man. Oh,
If they're not good, they're good now.
yeah.
Oh. Hold on, let me check that side. Yeah, it's good.
It's too late now.
Bam. Holy.
Shit fell in it.
This truck has
Serious ass
some
suspension.
yeah, it has some pretty sweet articulation, man. That's impressive. 3/4 ton truck. We took this to the top of the World Trail. It had like what,
33s.
33s on it and maybe a couple 100 miles.
Yep.
And it killed it. So, all right, let's get these springs out.
Let's do it. Dry bar. El Cryo Barro.
Woo! He's on it. That was easy.
My rubber that goes back on top. We need a wrench to do this piece of crap now. It looks like 5/8.
You need me to like stand on it?
If you could, can you without?
No, I'm not gonna use that at all.
It is a 3/4 ton pig.
Can these come down anymore or no?
That's it. I just need that spring to go forward.
Yeah, you step on it, I'll pry. I got a bigger bar too, another one.
Watch out for those brake lines.
Maybe get it up with that other one and then I'll pry on this side. Right on it.
Hate this. Yeah, just get it back there and jack it forward.
So,
And we got her now. Bitches. We don't care if she goes in. Forward.
that's how you get the springs out. Almost took out my brand new GoPro there. Woo!
Just about took her out. They're on an angle compared to straight.
Yeah, you can see how it's kind of built in an angle. This is the stock spring.
So the stock one has a little in it. This one has a lot in it.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's awesome. Always good to get an actual lift spring too.
It is. It fits.
Well, not very hard to get them back in. We literally just set them in there.
Yep.
No prying or anything.
We got enough to rope that.
So here I can go.
I don't think that's in the right spot though. Just a sec.
Okay.
Is there another hole? Is there another?
You're talking about like the top hat?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I got. I think there's only one hole. I just want to get it in the right. I want to make sure it's in the right spot.
Yeah. For sure.
Because I don't want this to be turned. Yeah, jack her up a little.
Okay. Good?
Right there. Yep.
Okay.
That just doesn't
Might have to.
sit with that furthest point down. You know what I mean?
It will when
When it's all the way up.
should, yeah.
And it's almost ready for me to put my damn shock bolt back in too.
Yeah, it's crazy the caster angle that you get at full droop here. It's
a ton.
Like fully forward.
And if you, well, you might as well, well, we're literally, give it one more jack, and I can put the freaking shock on. All right, 1 sec.
Too much? Come down a little?
No, I think maybe up just a hair more. But we don't want to jack up the other side or we're going to be screwed.
You kind of drive it in there with the
We're trying.
wrench. Oh, we need the other socket. And the wrench, yeah.
It's so close, it's ridiculous. Oh, yep, we're through.
Nice.
We are through, thank you.
That was pretty easy, guys.
Something like it's only an hour. The whole job's only an hour.
So yeah, we're now using a GoPro 8 to do all this. Let me know what you guys think. I was using my Google phone up until this point. See ya on the other side.
Goes where the hole is.
Oh, it ripped off.
I ripped it off. I was
Nice.
pissed.
We gotta get that. Gotta get that other pad off of there.
Oh, oops. Get the right socket. Band-aid. Spring and hat. Like I said, that goes where the only hole is.
Okay.
Yep, just set it on there. Rail.
Oh yeah. The other side's made it too.
It won't fit?
Just put your shocks on now. You can probably let it out. Better let that droop again. Whew. Yeah, we gotta pry this one a little bit.
All right.
Whew.
That's not a bad thing.
It's just scary.
A little. You ready? Push in.
Yeah, I'm pushing in. Oh, we have it.
Okay. There we go. Line that up with the hole.
Yep, you go up, it will line up.
Oh, please.
Holy cow, we need a quick jack. Yeah, go slow. I'll get this shock pulled in. Right there.
No. The bolt's right behind you. Oh, right behind you.
Oh, it's already in.
Nice. beautiful, dude. So sexy. And literally, like, if you were really working hard, a half hour.
I think that's all it took us.
Yeah. And that was waiting for jack stands from Lucy.
Yeah.
So.
Guys, this is super easy. Let's jack it up. See how we look. Shocks are on, sway bars back on, springs are in.
Just gotta get high enough to get a tire back on.
There you go. And look at that. Straight springs.
No arch.
So yeah, if you guys are got anybody who's looking to fix this problem, Thuren springs for the Dodge Ram Power Wagon here. That was slick. All right, so we got the Dodge all taken care of. That was pretty easy. Corrected all his problems. I guess it was clunking and stuff when he would drive down the road. So having that spring sit straight instead of, oh man, it was so mangled in there. So thanks for hanging out with us, guys. It's a pretty short video. That was a super easy swap. Give it a like, give it a comment. If you like full-size trucks, let me know. Maybe we'll get out wheeling with Brett and hit some trails and go wheeling and all that. The diffs are currently being set up right now, so be patient with me on the 4Runner. It's coming along, just things are slow, holidays, all that fun stuff. So thanks for hanging out with me. Keep it real. We'll see you later.